This tutorial by needlepointers.com will show you the woven circle stitch. The woven circle is a beautiful decorative hand embroidery stitch that can be made on any type of fabric. The stitch is made by weaving a circle between 4 straight stitches that have a gap between them. Let's get started learning the woven circle. To work the woven circle stitch, you need 4 straight lines with a gap in between them. You can see that I've already done those straight stitches. And then with the same color or a different color thread, bring the needle up from the back side of the fabric at the end of one of the stitches. Now you can do it either clockwise or counterclockwise. Insert the needle between the straight stitch and the fabric, making sure not to pierce the floss or the yarn or whatever you're using. You can stop here, or you can continue by making a second round of stitches. To stop, you go back down through the same stitch that you came up. There you can see my first woven circle stitch. Now I'd like to do another one, but I'm going to do it in another color for you so you can see what that looks like. Come up through the end of the straight stitch, put the yarn under the straight stitch, either clockwise or counterclockwise, making sure that you don't pierce the floss and continue working around those 4 straight stitches. I think that I did pierce it. Let me just turn it. Sometimes it makes it easier if you're doing hand embroidery to be able to turn your work as you're going along. Now you may wonder where you can use this stitch. It's a nice filler stitch. It's definitely a stitch that you use when you're doing chicken scratch embroidery, which we do have information on doing that stitch or that type of embroidery work. And for that, we will have a link in our description for chicken scratch for you. Now after you've gone around, I went around 2 times, you can just go around 1, then you go back, you insert your needle back down through the hole that you came up at the beginning. And the stitch is completed. Here's a piece of embroidery that I'm doing using the woven circle. If you're wondering where you can use this stitch, you can use it alone in hand embroidery as a decorator or filler stitch, as an embellishment stitch with a bead in the center, or, as I said before, in chicken scratch embroidery and in crazy quilt embroidery. Our website has lots of hand embroidery tutorials. Check them out by clicking the link in the video or description section. We hope you enjoyed this woven circle stitch tutorial. Please like, share, and comment. Follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. You will find links below. I hope you have a nice day hand embroidering.